Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video I'm sharing with you how I make this delicious seafood okra soup. I'll be using fresh okra. I'll start by slicing the okra, and the okra is washed already. I'll slice some of the okra to be big and I'll slice some to be small. You can slice them the way you like yours. You can use a grater to grate the okra or use food processor to chop them as well. I'll transfer the sliced okra inside a large bowl. Add warm water. And I'll be stirring it to help the sliminess to come out like what you can see in this video. Once that is done, I'll set that aside. I'll also be using vegetables, onions, peppers. I'll transfer the peppers inside a food processor. I'll cover and blend. And that is done. For seafood, I'm using fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Shrimps, crabs, lobster. I'll be using uziza seed, seasoned cubes, crayfish, locust beans. In a pot, I'll add red palm oil. Once the oil is hot, add sliced onions. I'll stir and fry the onions for about 5 minutes. Add the locust beans and stir it. Adding the locust beans at this point helps to bring out more of the flavor from it. I'll add in the pepper and stir. I'll leave the pepper to fry a bit, then add the crayfish, salt, and seasoned cube. Add some water. I'll add the fish. Cover and cook the fish. Once the fish is ready, remove the fish from the pot. I'll add the crabs and lobster and stir. And I'll leave these ones to cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll add the shrimps and stir. Add the okra. Seafood okra soup is very easy to cook and is so quick to cook as well. You want to make sure everything is prepped before you start cooking it. Stir it until it's nicely combined. I'll leave it to cook for 2 to 5 minutes, then I'll add the vegetables and stir. I'm using spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice for this recipe. At this point, you can taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Once it's nicely stirred, add the fish back inside the pot. And this seafood okra soup smells amazing. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on in my kitchen. I'll add a bit of pepper, give it a gentle stir so we don't break the fish. Leave it for like 2 minutes to cook and the soup is ready. You can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. This soup tasted so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.